Hi, I'm Adora, a content designer here at KiwiCo. And today we're building the KiwiCo color mixing light. Are you ready to make art out of light? Part A, build the light. Alright, first grab the case and circuit board. Click the case on top. Our first stop and check. Make sure the circuit board is pushed all the way in. Next, line up this wood piece with the curved edges facing away from the metal tabs. Then, click into place. Then flip over. Now, stretch an O-ring from the case to the wood piece. Then, repeat on the other side. Now, find the base piece with the triangle shapes. Set it on your work surface like this, with the notches facing down. Then, with the other base piece that has the round shapes, set it on your work surface. The round shapes should be on top. Now, place the piece with the triangle shapes on top of the other piece. The notch fits around this tab. Double check, you should see the tiny KiwiCo logo on top here. Alright, hold the base together while you thread the USB cable through the opening. Then connect the wire to the circuit board. Next, place a straw through this hole and then another straw through this hole. Then, place this wire over this straw. Make sure the metal ring is set over the straw and resting in the round groove. Now, flip over the circuit board and place it like so on top of the base. Make sure the metal ring is still in place. Let's stop and check again. Make sure the wood piece fits snug against the inside of the base and is right under the blue tab. Then, place the link over the straws. Be careful not to bend the link. If that happens, ask a grown-up assistant to straighten it out. It's okay if the link isn't sitting completely flat, by the way. Alright, place the switch holder on top with the circle tab this way. The holder will fit under the tab. Okay, let's stop and check. Make sure the wood piece and switch holder line up and sit flat in the base. Now take out this straw, but keep the other one in place. Then twist the screw in here. Now take out the other straw and twist in a screw where the straw just was. Before moving forward, let's try it out. Plug the cable into a power source. I'm going to use my laptop. Then, flip over your build and press down on the tabs. Flip it back over to see the LED light up. If it doesn't, check the wires and screws. Part B, add the switches. Alright, place the red switch inside the toggle and turn. Then, lift the switch up into this notch to hold in place. Now, stretch an O-ring from here to here. Then flip over and stretch another O-ring on the other side. Alright, repeat Part B, steps 1 through 4 for the green and blue switches. Now add the red switch to the switch holder. Make sure the switch points this way, then click into place. You may need to push down hard and all the way down to get it in. Let's stop and check. Make sure the switch assembly is pushed all the way in. Also, make sure the O-ring isn't stuck on the switch holder. If you need to remove the switch, push it out from the bottom. Alright, add the green switch now. Remember to push in hard. Now, add the blue switch and push in hard again. Alright, let's try it out. Be sure your build is plugged in again, then flip each switch to the on position. Make sure the switch color matches the color that lights up. Part C, make light up art. Alright, peel off the film from the clear panel. Now, choose a stencil or create your own design. I'll use the wet erase marker to make an ocean scene. If you need to erase, dampen a paper towel from home. Then, slot the panel in here. Next, plug the USB into a power source. Alright, flip any switch and watch your drawing light up with color. Try flipping multiple switches at once. Now add the paper backing to light up your designs even when your room is bright. Fold the tabs over the panel to hold the paper backing in place. Yay! You built a color mixing light. Okay, if you run into any trouble while using your color mixing light, don't worry, I've got you. If the light color doesn't match the switch color, check Part B, steps 6 through 8 to make sure the switches are in the right order. Also, check the link. It may be bent out of shape. Ask a grown-up assistant to flatten it. If the light won't turn on or stay on when the switch is flipped, check that the tab with the KiwiCo logo on it is facing the wood side. Double check Part A, Step 12. Be sure to check the wire is resting in the groove from Part A, Steps 11 through 12. Make sure the O-rings are in place on the wood piece. The metal leads should be touching the link when you pull the switch. If they don't, the link may be bent and you can get help to flatten it from a grown-up assistant. Now, the screw should be tightened all the way. If they won't screw together, check Part A, Steps 11 through 16, to make sure all the components are aligned and there are no pinched wires or other components. And lastly, make sure the USB is plugged into a power source and the wires are connected all the way. With troubleshooting out of the way, let's talk about fun things you can do with the color mixing light. For example, you can write glowing jokes, combine different colors together, personalize, and add your name. When you're done playing, unplug your color mixing light and wrap the cord carefully around the inside of the base. Then, clean the clear panel with a damp cloth to erase your work. There is a lot of cool science behind color mixing. Imagine you mix red and green paint. What happens? You get brown. But if you mix red and green light, you get yellow. How is that possible? Well, with paint, you get subtractive color mixing. See, paint absorbs light, only reflecting the color you see. So the more paints you add together, the more light that gets absorbed. If you added all the paint colors together, you get black. That's subtractive color mixing. On the other hand, combining colors of light gives you additive color mixing, which lightens the colors. In fact, if you mixed all the colors of light together, you get white. Would you have guessed that? Thanks so much for building with us today. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more, Be sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Check that the lights, well, with paint, additive color mixing, with light, the more color that's absorbed, and you eventually get black.